Good morning, everyone. This is Atrey Das from BHHA Department of KSMS. Hope every one of you are well in this pandemic. Stay home, stay safe, and always stay happy. Okay, so let's start with our new topic today in accommodation operation, that is handling of rooms transfers, guest room transfers in housekeeping department. How did the housekeeping department used to handle the room transfers for the guests? Okay. First, let's tell what is rooms transfers and why room transfers are done. First and foremost thing is that in the housekeeping department, the housekeeping control desk used to handle all this room transfers and everything about all this. Room transfers are only done whenever the guest asks for this. It is basically done on guest request. Due to what reason? It can be any small or big reasons. Suppose the guest is not liking that room which is allotted to, which is registered for him, or the size of the room is very small, the room is not facing any scenic view, okay, it is not a pool facing room, okay, or any electrical gadgets is not working properly. Suppose AC is not working properly, the dim lights are not working properly, bedside lamp is not working, or you can say in the washroom the hot water is not running, the bathtub is leaking, WC is leaking, anything. All due to any of the electrical or engineering appliances, also problems in all these appliances, also the guest can ask for room transfers, or else the room is not up to that mark or up to that budget what the guest is having. So in this particular case, the room transfers might happen. First and foremost thing is that the housekeeping department first need to contact with the front office department, as the front office department used to register the rooms to the guest. Once the front office department gives the clearance for the room transfers, they provides an alternative room and room number to the housekeeping desk. Then and there, the housekeeping supervisor and the GRA, that means the guest room attendant, used to assign and help the guest in the room transfers. Each and every hotels have their own policies and guidelines for room transfers, for handling room transfers and everything. It differs from hotel policies, actually differs from hotels to hotels. So in this housekeeping department, employees need to be very concerned about this policy, room transfers policy, in whichever hotel they are working. So the GRA, that means the guest room attendant, may pack the guest luggages and make sure that not a single guest luggage should left behind, or not a single guest luggage should be misplaced. Any guest belongings should not be miss out or anything, and they need to carry the guest luggages. If it is a light luggage, then they need to carry the guest luggages to the next room in which they have asked for the room transfers. Fine. If there is any heavy luggages, then they can call the bell desk for carrying the heavy luggages and try to transfer it into the guest room. Fine. And after the guest room is being transfers and everything, the supervisor should personally supervise his attendant in dealing with the room transfers. After the room transfers is done, the vacated room should be rechecked to ensure that no guest articles should be left behind, and the guest transfer should be, after the transfer is being done, the guest transfer should be recorded in the housekeeping control desk. The guest room number should be changed, and it should be recorded that the guest has done any room transfer. Okay. Today, after this, the next day we will start with a new topic. Thank you so much.